up, gentlemen? So it's been about 22 days since my last haircut. Normally, what are you doing here?
I'm just hanging out, looking at the pretty cars.
Oh, so it's been, you want to see Steven's car? Steven, you want to show him your car? Look at this. What?
This is how we roll in Atlanta, guys.
That's how he rolls in Atlanta. So, I'll be in a second, all right?
All right.
I'm setting this video up. So, 22 days since my last haircut, and the reason it's been so long, I'm usually like a 9 to 10 day guy max. I like to keep my hair really tight. I'm super anal, and when it starts to grow out, I just don't like the way that it looks, and it doesn't sort of do what I want it to do. Well, it's been about 22 days because I got a bad cut from my boy Christian, who I love. What happened is he sort of took it, you probably can't see it, but he took it like too high up my head, almost like a disconnected undercut, and then followed it all the way around up here. And the way that my hair like sort of falls and the way that my head's shaped, it just did not work. And so for the past like 22 days, I have had just the hardest time styling my hair like normal. And so I'm here. I'm at Dyer & Post's salon. I'm gonna get it tightened up. I'm gonna get it fixed by my boy Steven. And so today I thought I'd go over 6 things you can do if you get a bad cut from a barber or stylist. Steven is better at blending, texturizing, and Christian is better at fading and getting that perfect fade. Like, it looks incredible. He's like a magician, but Steven is a magician at cutting, texturizing, and just making the haircut look a little bit more finished and polished. But today I'm getting this fixed. Next time I'll probably go back to Christian. You cool with that? Everybody thinks you're like mad at me because I'm going.
I'm good.
You're good?
Nope, I hate the guy.
No, you don't. You see what?
Yeah.
You see what's up?
Yeah.
What did he do? He
just went way up too high.
He went up way up.
Especially right on that corner.
Yeah. It's and then he went up too high, like over here.
Back.
Yeah. It's
and
like.
Make sure here go.
Yeah. It's crazy. All right. So the first tip I will give you, if you are getting your hair cut and you notice something is not quite right or you notice something is wrong, let them know right then. Address it. Don't just be like, all right, and sort of suck it up and leave. You gotta let them know. It's not you versus them. You're a team, all right? This is your hairstyling soulmate, hopefully. And so if they do something wrong or if it's somebody new, let them know. Communicate up front if you're still there and you notice something's wrong, because a lot of times they can fix it if you let them know before you leave. But sometimes you leave, and that's when you notice your jacked up hair. The second tip is identify what's wrong. Just saying my haircut's messed up isn't really going to help somebody else if you're going to try and get it fixed, and it's not going to let the person know next time what to do differently. And so identify what specifically is wrong with your hair. For me, it was over here. He went too high, Steven identified it, he realized it, he recognized it, and so now we're fixing it. Bringing us to our third tip, let it grow. When you get a bad haircut, a lot of times it's because they went too short in an area, or they sort of just like slipped and cut something wrong. Your initial instinct is to run out and get it fixed. And unfortunately, a lot of times they can't fix it. It's something where you just have to let it grow and sort of deal with the awkward haircut for a little while. Give it time, gentlemen. Just give it time. But if the stylist has consistently messed your hair up, or if it's somebody new, it's time to move on to the fourth step, which is find a new stylist. And bring a picture of your hair when you like it, so that they have a better reference point of what to do so that you're gonna be happy. Are you happy, Steven?
I'm always happy, just a happy guy.
That's not true. Finding a new stylist is not easy, but it's something that you may need to do. If the stylist that you're going to or the barber you're going to does not listen or take direction, or if you try to explain, hey, I didn't like the way that you did this, and they do it again, it's definitely time to find somebody new. Ask for a referral, or something that I do is I'll see somebody who has a really cool haircut and I'll be like, hey, who cut your hair? Because a lot of times they'll give you a great referral. Number 5, while you're letting that awkward, jacked up haircut grow out, what I would recommend is try styling it in a different direction. Maybe try and camouflage the area that's messed up, or just play around, do something different. It's always a great idea to have a backup hairstyle, something you can do in a pinch that's super quick, that doesn't take a lot of time or effort. And in this situation, the second hairstyle that I do, the short sort of side part, was working incredibly well. It didn't look as good, and I was kind of upset that I couldn't rock my normal luscious locks, but at the end of the day, you gotta do what you gotta do. Number 6.
Go shorter.
You can always go shorter. You could buzz it off, start over, or you could just look for a shorter style. This is a great opportunity to try something new, and with summer here, shorter, cool, like summer cuts are definitely popular, and so it's a great idea to sort of embrace the messed upness of your hair and just go a little bit shorter. Bad haircuts happen. They happen to the best of us. They happen from the best stylists from time to time. Like, I've gotten some jacked up haircuts from you, dude. See, he still loves me. Moment of truth. Time to style. I'm going to be using the Pete Pedro Sea Salt Spray as the pre-styler. The sea salt spray is incredible. It adds crazy volume and texture to your hair. And as your hair starts to get a little bit longer, trying to use just the product to keep it up and make it have volume is impossible. This stuff is incredible and a #1 seller at Pete Pedro. If you guys want to check out the sea salt spray, I'll link to it down below along with the discount code. While you're at it, you might want to also check out the Pete Pedro Putty. It's a matte product. It is smooth, it's creamy, but it is probably the best product you're ever going to use. Emulsify and apply. One of the tricks to getting your hair to stay in place and to obtain bueno hair amazingness is to get that hair covered with the product that you're actually using, as opposed to just like sort of touching and styling on the top. Down in that hair. And time to dry. And right there. What do you think? Looking better? It's absolutely looking better. Another 2 weeks, I think I'll be all grown in and good. But up here, the top, look at that. Look at that volume. It's incredible, and it looks incredible. Guys, if you want to check out the sea salt spray, I will link to it down in the description. If you're looking to take your hair game to the next level, you got to check this product out. Also, if you're looking for a product that is going to blow your mind and make your hair look as good as it possibly can, you got to check out the Pete Pedro Putty. This product is the best product you're ever going to use. It's incredible, it's versatile, it is amazing, and now my hair is incredible. Guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully your hair will look better soon.